I'd say, on the AI side, this is maybe where the Department of Defense still has significant catching up to do, as far as applying AI as part of their fundamental operations in ways that, are far from the fear mongering around killer robots. Just thinking about how different enterprises are using AI in their, business decision making to help understand the data and increase their decision velocity. If you look at the private sector, over 66% of all venture capital funding in the first half of 2025 has gone to artificial intelligence. This is hundreds of billions of dollars. I would say on the DoD side, we're really still in the single billions of dollars as far as spending on AI capability. Again, a remarkable increase from the days when, you could only look at Project Maven as like the one artificial intelligence program that was doing anything of operational relevance, but still, far lagging behind adoption on the size of, commercial trends that we're seeing. And certainly, our adversaries are incorporating this type of technology into their use cases. I would like to highlight, that the Chief Digital Artificial Intelligence Office, CDAO, has been releasing several contracts to some of the largest large language model companies. And I think that is moving in the right direction. But if we're going to actually integrate these types of capabilities, across various components of the DoD, whether it's in supporting a budget buildup or if it's in pre-positioning where assets ought to go, there's still a lot of green space for the department to lean into these technologies.